This is our newly developed wireless proportional remote control for construction machinery, which is applicable to track cranes, excavators, wood grabbers, and lifts. With precise control, it can be controlled automatically and manually at the same time. Remote operation doesn't affect manual control. Small installation volume and easier installation. So various remote control function installation solutions for you. The proportional motor developed by us is equipped with an angle sensor chip with high control accuracy and a sensitive response. The angle can be adjusted on the computer board developed by us to make it easier to configure various track cranes and hydraulic